Hi guys, it's Barry the Well Players here, and today we are going to be doing some trying out a new strat in Eggwars. I didn't find it on Reddit, I just came up with it. So what I'm going to do is build really high up, as you can see, and then just build a massive turret in the sky, and then rain down arrows on anyone who's not on our team. Wow, that was close. Wait, why isn't it letting me? Wait, is this like max height? Oh, cool, there's max height. That's the newbie thing. If I get around to the middle about there, and if I start building out 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully people use this, because they do. Yay. I might put a chest up here with arrows in. That'll be pretty good. If I build a turret kind of shape. Oh yes, this is max height. So, yes, I like this. And then this is what I'll do. I'll make it too wide. As you can see, I did come prepared with all the blocks that I have. Thing is about doing double staircase, that they're not on our team. Ah, I knew that was going to happen. Or at least we don't need to protect our egg anymore. That's annoying. But I can still use my strat. It doesn't include an Eggwars strat. Oh no. No. Oh, that's annoying. So I'm going to try that strat again, and I'll see you back when it works. Okay guys, so I've got to this point. It's not the best point, but it's somewhere to start off. So yeah, it didn't take me that long, because you can see I do not have much iron. But yes, I'm in the middle. But I'm planning to do a different strat. I get to 1 before max height, and then I build turrets up so nobody can fire at you, but you can fire at them. I think that strat would work quite well. So when I get to max height, I will just break it. I think I'm getting to max height around about 3 more blocks. Okay, there we go. Can you go away, please? Just go away. Yes, thank you. Wow. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, no. Great. Now, what am I doing? Oh no, there's a guy. Okay. I have to. Great. Amazing. I had to do that. Destroyed. I'm going to play a different game. This is painful, guys. I'll just do some Minerware because I'm okay at it. Let's go. Okay, so Minerware is a fun game. I really like it because it's not really PvP, but then again, it does improve your PvP skills. And as you've seen the HF Ronaldo 1v1, I do not need that improvement. Okay, maybe I do, but that doesn't matter right now. Okay, ooh, blue team. Okay, got that guy. No! Oh, I was the last one other than him. Oh no, I don't like this one. No, I'm not going to do it. Yes, okay. Catch all of them so no one else can get them, and then I become first. Probably come first with this. Not even on the leaderboard, great. Okay, yes. I normally do not win that one. Oh no, hot potato. Good. Pass it on. I started with it, pass it on. Good stats for hot potato. 8. Okay. Watch this. Trolling. Hi. Hi, you can't get me. Oh great, no. Trolling isn't always good. We're supposed to both might love this. Oh no, spawn's right in the middle. That's a noob. Yes. Third. We'll join first actually. Oh, dodge falling anvils. I nearly got hit then. I did get hit. That's annoying. Okay, so that one. Still third though. King of the Hill. Oh, I got okay stats for this. I've never won King of the Hill. No! That last second was too long. Ah, lol. This goes on for way too long. Okay, I'm first. That blocks. And no. Yeah. I think everyone did that, yep. Oh, cactus slap, no. No, I hate cactus slap. I just spam the hit button. No! I'm trying first still. Okay, tulip. Oh no, what's a tulip? Oh no. At least the guy in the front didn't. Oh. I'm okay at this one. Done. This boy. I don't care. Still built the golem. Yes, first again. That's a crafting game. Answer the question. Answer the question. 12 times 12. Yeah, that's easy. That's like maths. That's easy. Yeah, hopefully everyone got that right. One guy didn't. Oh, okay. 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 Yes. No. Oh, still one. 10. Yes. Yes, boys. Gun sword. PvP is not my strongest point. Yes. Yes, boys. I've never won that one. Oh, yes, boys. So good. Okay, I think after this boss game, I'll have to go now. Could win this, boys. Could win this. Could get the dub. Probably haven't got the dub though. Yes, I still won that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.